Move for an amendment of Section 3 of all bills, Your Honor.
What is Section 3? Of
The
all
funds
bills?
for the funds necessary of the implementation of this act, of the act.
What is Section 3?
Sir, it reads,
Yes.
the funds necessary for the implementation of this act, including appropriations for personal services such as salaries, benefits, and emoluments for judge and court personnel, court operations under maintenance and other operating expenses, MOOE, and provisions for halls of justice or courtrooms to accommodate judges and court staff shall be included in the Annual General Appropriations Act. We request for the additional phrase, Your Honor, to quote, moreover, funds necessary for the implementation of automatically created prosecutor positions pursuant to Section 13 of RA 10071, resulting from the creation of these courts, including appropriations for personal services such as salaries, benefits, and emoluments for prosecutors, shall be included in the Annual General Appropriations Act. Period.
Section 3? Parang kasama naman siya. Di ba siya kasama doon sa Section 3? Other expenses shall...
Sir, because we have already an experience with the DBM,
Okay,
that
DBM
we
is right
have
beside you.
problems pertaining to additional funds for additional prosecutors, Your Honor. So we would like it, yes, Your Honor.
To include the PAW. So, yung PAW siguro, ganun din. DBM, can you react?
Sir, pwede naman
Tayo
po,
nag-budget hearing dito.
Your Honor, pwede naman po siyang i-include dun sa enumeration po para hindi na po magdoble yung wording.
Para hindi na redundant.
Can you repeat that? Para hindi na...
Para hindi na po redundant yung shall be included in the annual JA. Include na lang po siya dun sa enumeration.
What about the PAW?
Include din po.
That's why we're going to have a technical working group para
Sir.
ma-fine-tune natin lahat ito.
Opo.
And then, Your Honor, for this bill po, we have computed rough estimate po of 153.6 million.
150
53.6 million.
million for Laguna.
Opo.
Governor, 153.6 million. Annually.
Yes po, Your Honor.
Wala pa yung construction, yung initial facilities, wala pa.
Meron pong initial competition po for capital outlays. Baka additional po yun.
But the LGU, the provincial government, I think will provide for the facilities. Makakatutulong, ma'am. Congresswoman, Governor.
Mr. Chair, actually po, I talked po to the municipal government of Los Baños. And right now po, in the Municipal Development Council po, it was tackled na they will be including funds para po sa Hall of Justice in Los Baños. So, and in Cabuyao naman po, I have talked to the mayor of Cabuyao na they're also willing po to provide the property, the lot po, and also budget for the construction po of the Hall of Justice in Cabuyao, as long as daw po this bill will be approved and implemented, Mr. Chair. Thank you.
Gagayahin ka ni Congressman Roque kasi yung husband niya, yun din ang governor ng Bukidnon. So pareho kayo na ano? So we'll take that as part of the technical working group, yung binanggit nyo sa Prosecutors League, and then isama na rin natin yung PAW para
Thank you, Your Honor.
isang amendment na lang dito.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Justice Villanueva?
Yes po, Your Honor. Just for the record, again, if this proposed bill is approved and is enacted into law, Your Honor, we would like to again mention that there should be a provision, or at least, no, with respect to the Hall of Justice, nandiyan na po, and then with respect to the creation of an office of the court, clerk of court as well. Kasi pagka multisala po, Your Honor, yes po.
12 ito, 9 o 2.
So, bali one office of the clerk of court lang naman po, Your Honor. So, additional funding for personnel po yun. Thank you.
Thank you. Any other comment from my colleague, Senator De La Rosa? Wala. So, without objection on the part of my colleagues, House Bill 6588, authored by Congresswoman Ruth Mariano Hernandez, creating 12 additional branches of the Regional Trial Court to be stationed in Los Baños and the city of Cabuyao, is hereby approved, subject to a technical working group before its presentation to the plenary.
Thank you very much, Mr. Chair. Thank you very much for the honorable committee. Thank you.
Thank you. We will be monitoring this because this is right adjacent to Tagaytay, Cabuyao. Tabi lang po ito. Salamat po, Congresswoman Governor
Thank you.
Hernandez.
Thank you to the honorable committee. God bless
Thank you, ma'am.
everyone. Thank you po.
The committee now will tackle House Bill. May nakabukas na isa. House Bill. Sino pa ba hindi? House Bill Muntinlupa. House Bill 6579. Authored by Congressman Jimmy Fresnetti, and are creating 5 additional branches of the Regional Trial Court, the National Capital Region, to be stationed in the city of Muntinlupa and appropriating funds therefore. Congressman Jimmy, Mayor, you have the floor for your introductory statement, sir. Naka-mute po kayo, Congressman. Please unmute.
On behalf of the people of Muntinlupa, Mr. Chair, I would like to thank Senator Francis Tolentino and this honorable committee for taking into consideration House Bill number 6579 as contained in Committee Report number 226. This proposed measure, which is in substitution of House Bill number 56, seeks to create 5 additional branches of the Regional Trial Court to be stationed in the city of Muntinlupa. House Bill number 6579, Mr. Chair, is envisioned to greatly improve the dispensation of justice in the city of Muntinlupa. It is intended to unclog and ease the caseload of the existing branches of the RTC in our city. In this light, we would like to implore of the chair and the other members of this honorable committee to approve this proposed measure. Eventually, this representation and my fellow Muntinlupeños are confident that with the able stewardship of the honorable chair, Senator Francis Tolentino, this proposed measure will also be approved by this chamber and enacted into law. Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Thank you, Congressman Fresnetti. May we ask the court administrator, ilan na po yung magiging total na RTC sa Muntinlupa once this is approved?
Yes, Your Honor. Your Honor, at present we have 8 regional trial courts in Muntinlupa, which includes the statutory family court, Your Honor. So it will there will be 13 if the 5 additional RTCs will be included or will be approved, Your Honor. At present, the total caseload for all of these 8 is about 3,177 as of May 31, 2023. So if you're going, the average caseload for these 8 is about 397 cases per court. If we will add the 5 and then we will spread, assuming that we can spread all of these cases to the other 5, Your Honor, then the average would be around 244.
244.
Yes, Your Honor.
Meron pong isa kasi, branch 256, 747. Branch 207, 520. And branch 204, 563.
Yes, Your Honor. Actually, of course, the spread of the caseload is not the same, Your Honor. I'm just trying to illustrate, Your Honor, that assuming that additional courts will be included, then the average would be lesser, as what it is currently now, Your Honor.
So additional, how many?
5, Your Honor.
5. This is no politically loaded remarks. So pag may nag-inhibit, marami pang sasalo.
Yes, Your Honor, because all of these five newly created courts will be considered as regular courts, Your Honors, and they will not be considered yet as special courts until the Supreme Court provides so, Your Honor.
Total amount needed, DBM?
Sir, for this bill po, ang rough estimate po is 97.2 million.
97
.2
point?
0.2 million po. 97.2 million.
Pero may savings po rito kasi ang Muntinlupa may restructure na to eh. Hindi, wala nang, Congressman, di ba? May mga building na po kayo? Mute po kayo, Congressman.
Mr. Chair, we have our own building, Mr. Chair.
Bawasan po yan, DBM, kasi may building na nila. Mga kailangan po ng additional building, Congressman?
Mr. Chair, yes, but according to the Office of the Executive Judge, we have no problem as far as space is concerned because we still have an area for the constructions of the building, Mr. Chair. But Mr. Chair, I would like to state that upon consultations with the Office of the Executive Judge, she mentioned that because of funding requirements needed for the creations of this additional five sala, she's willing to make do with 3 branches, additional 3 sala, Mr. Chair.
Can you repeat that, Your Honor? She is willing
To reduce from 5 to 3 additional sala, Mr. Chair.
So,
That is upon consultations with the Executive Judge, Mr. Chair.
So, what we heard from the good Congressman is that instead of 5 additional salas under the proposed bill under 6579, it can be reduced to 3.
Yes, Mr. Chair. This is upon consultation with the Office of the Executive Judge.
Can the COMSEC note that? Because during our technical working group, we have to reflect this latest development from 5 to 3. Thank you, Congressman. Alam ko naman na kayang-kaya ng Muntinlupa sagutin lahat ito. And will that include now the Office of the Clerk of Court?
Your Honor, we have already an Office of the Clerk of Court in Muntinlupa. So it will just result in, I guess, additional clerical positions, Your Honor, because of the increase in the number of courts.